we might look the same, but we are not the same. Sometimes the way we it's not the way umuntu acabanga ngakhona. So trust your brains. In each and every family, I believe there must be someone, or there will be someone, also cut the chain of a generational curse for the next generations and generations to come in the family to live a better life. Trust your instincts whenever wrong, and believe in your thinking. Maumuntu, don't deny yourself an opportunity to learn or to grow. Learn from the others. Learn from those you regard them as the best, so that you become the best amongst the rest. When you admire a person, or you idolize a person, or you regard someone as your inspiration or your role model, you only take what you need and leave the rest. No one is perfect. You can't learn everything from umuntu. Khona izinto ezingekho right. Ungathathi everything. Thatha what you need and grow yourself from there. Must have sometimes to try. Maybe you fail. Failure, it's a process. It's a process to pass. Eskela amanye amatasks uyafaila mara ubuye urepeat upass. Kufana uyobhalela learners. Uyabhalela learners ufaile mara urepeat ubuye upass. Is the way ngicabanga ngakhona nge-life. Akekho umuntu ozalwe abhale ukuthi wena you are born to be poor or you are born to be rich. It's all about making a decision, taking a stand. Ukuthi na into engifuna ukuyenza elifini. Yabona nabantu ama-small business. Ungayinyathi business yakho ngoba wena uthengisa ama-snoopy juice erobotini or uthengisa ama-straw, then you are intimidated by umuntu on a store or on a chisanyama obona ngathi wena you are a lousy businessman. No, you might find that ukuthi nawe you are a big entrepreneur, but still in the making. Everything starts somewhere to get somewhere. Akuna success overnight. Ungabuza anyone who's successful. Most successful people, the billionaires and the millionaires, they've got their stories. Omunye abantu bekathengisa amathambo ngebhayisikili, omunye abantu bekathengisa ibisi, kancane bathi phiki makunyela. So by so doing, we shall grow. And then we need to participate in economical activities. Yabona mangikhuluma nge-economical activities, angikhulumi ngoku-owner ama-company supply iy'gubhu or some big product. No. Nokuthengisa amagwinya, you are a businessman, you are an entrepreneur in the making. Amawutwana is black economic empowerment. Do what you know, do what you can do, but it doesn't mean that my advice to you must limit you. You must approach life based on my experience, based on the level of my achievement. No, you can still go beyond, but be careful. Don't be an impossible dreamer. You must dream achievable and be realistic. As Ghetto Professor, Maorange, King Manamu, Asmomi.